Hello Bracelet friends, welcome back to the Threads for Friends Co. YouTube channel. In this video we are going to teach you how to make a Chevron friendship bracelet. For our bracelet tutorial videos, we assume that you already know how to tie the 4 different types of knots. If you need to learn how to do this, you should watch our video, how to tie the 4 knots for friendship bracelets first, and then come back to this one. That video will be linked in the description below. Before we actually start the bracelet, pick 4 colors for your bracelet. Then fold each piece of thread in half and tie a loop knot. Tape the loop to a surface such as a table or clipboard. After you pick your colors, cut 1 piece of thread per color that is about 48 inches long. You should have 4 pieces of embroidery thread in total. To begin, line up the string so that it is symmetrical on both sides. Take the first color all the way on the left and tie 3 forward knots, moving towards the middle. Then take that same color on the right side and tie 3 backwards knots, moving towards the middle. Once the 2 strings meet in the middle, tie a forward knot. Next, go back to the left side and pick up the next outermost string. Tie 3 forward knots, moving towards the middle. Now take that same color on the right side and tie 3 backwards knots until the 2 strings meet. Once they meet in the middle, tie another forward knot. Do the same thing with the next outer strands. Continue this pattern until you finish your bracelet and it is a little larger than your wrist. By making it a little bigger, there will be enough room for you to tie it to fit comfortably. If you don't have the steps memorized, you can watch this section of the video again until you get the hang of it. When you are done, finish it with a braid and tie the final knot to secure it.